Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add ATM to cart on your DoorDash app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your DoorDash app. So all you have to do to add it to your cart, so you just choose here products you want to pay. So like this product here for McDonald's, you just click here, then it's going to take you here inside of page, and you go down here, and here you choose so here if you want to pay like this here, we will click here. So then it's going to take us here in this list, then you just click here on add ATM here, then it's going to take us in this list. So that like you see now, you click here on view card, you just click here, then it's going to take you here in this list. So in here, can you pay it? So you just click here, for example, in here, so you click here on update cards, then it's going to take you. So then here it's going to take you to add your information, or here you add a permission. If you have permission, can you do it here and add here promo code. So and that's all you have to do to pay on your DoorDash app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking